Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. This thing is just kind of cool. You know, it doesn't need to exist. Should it exist? Probably not. But you know what? I am happy it does. This one is even a little bit more special because it has essentially half a Lamborghini engine in it. This is the 2.5 5-cylinder. So yes, you realize, wait a minute, the Gallardo has a 5-liter V10. Well, essentially, now it's not exactly this, but essentially, that right there is one bank of cylinders from a Lamborghini V10. Now that is absolutely dumbed down beyond belief, but that's essentially what it is. Do have, oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't even notice that was a cubby hole. Do have Bluetooth. All the controls for that are all up here. No backup camera. This is a 2012. Come on, guys. What do you want? Do have a horn that absolutely suits the Beetle character. I will say I've driven, what, 2 or 3 Beetles at this point? No, probably 4, because I drove one that was a manual. I drove the silver one, I drove the red convertible, drove the manual. I've driven a few Beetles, let me put it that way. I've been in an old Beetle, actually this color. Give a little bit of a gap. It sounds like a V10. The first time I drove this engine was in a Passat, and I absolutely adored that car because of this 2.5. That's green. That's green. That's not red. That's green. Man, that's actually pretty fun. Last week or the week before, I took a Mini Cooper home, and this is very, very much a similar idea to the Mini Cooper. It's a car that was popular in the 1950s to 60s, reimagined in today's world. They both came back around the same time, and both cars were the original versions continued to be made in other countries. I believe they still to this day make the original Mini Cooper, and they just stopped production on the Beetle in Mexico a few years ago. They both came back. The Mini came back in what, 05 in the US? This came back in 1999. So this was revived first. Mini Cooper's still going. This was killed off in 2019, I think was the last year. What a fun car. Man, you know, my Beetle videos tend to do pretty well. These cars have a following to them, rightfully so. This one screams 1950s with the red color. You know, this is peak Beetle. I mean, you still have heated seats. You still have all the good features that you come to expect from a 2012. This one has 46,000 miles on it. You know, this one this one is an absolute prime example. If I wanted a Beetle, which I'm not gonna lie, there's a reason I took this car home tonight. I kind of like the Beetle. It's a fun car. This would be the example I would buy. One, because I would buy any Volkswagen product with the 2.5, just because 2.5. Matter of fact, I'm looking for a winter car, and I want to buy a Jetta with a 2.5, just because 2.5. But this is just cool. It's just fun, quirky, and cool. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Haha! Those, I believe, are your speaker surrounds. So now it's red, blue, white. Ha! That's pretty cool. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.